Guys, ever lost something in your house? Everyone blames you for it. You know deep down you didn't lose it, but there is no other option except to take the blame and just go on with every day. Maybe every day, not today. Today, we're going to conduct live investigation of what the hell happened to my white helmet that I did not lose, but my entire house thinks I've lost. Wear your detective hats because this is going to get serious. Let's do this. Let's get some facts straight. I last wore the helmet on Monday night. It was raining. I rode back home with my bike with my helmet and it has been missing since. I have not worn the helmet, but everyone in my house thinks I have lost it because they think I lose everything. So usually what do? I'm like, fine. It's me, I have lost it. But today what I'm going to do, we are going to pull the CCTV footage and we're going to find out who did this, because for once and for all, let's settle this, okay? Just because people are clumsy and careless does not mean they're always clumsy and careless. Talking about the prime suspect in this case, I think it's my younger brother. Do I think my brother is the most amazing person in this world? Yes. Do I love him more than anything else in this world? Yes. But do I also think he's capable of performing such a horrible thing and blaming it on me? Absolutely yes. Time to address the devil in the room. My brother.
What up, y'all?
This is the second crime he's committed this intro. The first one was stealing my helmet.
If I find out that she's the one that's lost it, the challenge is to delete this YouTube channel and save us all this drama.
Why are you going after my channel, bro?
I'm going after you and the 10 people that watch your channel, who I know personally.
Now you know from where I get the vengeance, okay? I really swear and I hope to God that he is the one who's stolen it and he's blaming me, okay?
Why would I steal a lady's helmet that doesn't even fit me?
Okay, wait, 1 second. He is not stolen it for himself. The point here is that he has a girlfriend, okay? And because my helmet actually looks very good, it's a white, cute helmet, he takes my helmet for her. It is ladies or gents, I didn't mean it's for you. It's for your girlfriend, what?
And where would I steal it and where would I keep it?
That's what we're here to find out. Okay, so I've already said everything that I have to, so you can speak with your...
Yeah. So she went to work and she got stuck in the rain. So me and my mom were super worried. Quite late in the night, she had to ride back. So we decided to take the car, pick her up from wherever she was. So she was stuck about 4 kilometers from home. And so I just said, okay, leave the bike there and we'll pick you up from there, right? And then it's been missing ever since. And she thinks that the following day, which is on Tuesday, when I went out in the afternoon, I would wear a lady's helmet that is white in color and that doesn't fit me. And I've just lost it somewhere on the way. How does someone lose a helmet, right? That doesn't make any sense. So my guess is she has not taken the helmet inside the house on Monday and somebody has stolen it from there. I don't know. It could be anyone. And here she comes. What?
Come, we'll go see the footage.
Yeah.
So much
How are you sure my head is not cut in this video?
If it's cut,
Did you even check?
if his head
Go
is
check.
Cut, if his head is cut, we're all thankful. No one wants to see your big
Go
head.
check.
Come, we'll check the footage. You're watching.
Check the head first. It's my first Ranjita Ganesh appearance.
Unfortunately, your entire head is seen. Okay, so let's go.
Wait, I have something. I have something to say.
No.
I have something to say. Wait, real eyes.
Oh my god.
Real lies.
Real lies. I said it first.
Real lies.
So guys, this is Monday, 11:30. As you can see, it's pouring. Pause it. Helmet, my beloved white helmet with proof. I've come back Monday wearing it. Okay, this is what we're looking for. Okay, now just watch. See, I take it off.
And there you go. Okay.
See, the car is where Sanjay is.
I am here. I have nothing to do with the helmet.
Wait, let's see who comes and takes the helmet. The crime is not over. Guess who got nervous and stopped the footage? How
How to
random.
operate the CCTV camera.
No, why did you stop suddenly then?
Technical glitch, guys. We'll be back shortly.
Look at me, guys. How responsibility I'm closing.
Responsibility.
See, guys, I've placed it right there, and then the culprit arrives. Now let's watch. Moments before the disaster. That's
Shepherd.
Sanjay, why do you keep doing this? Why do you keep doing it?
What do you mean by
You did it the second
I'm
time.
trying to zoom out.
So this is the second time, right before we know who took the helmet, he stopped the footage.
Now I know the time.
Have we ever used this CCTV for our security ever?
Yeah.
When?
The last time you lost something.
That is not our security.
That is our security.
I keep the helmet on the other bike. My mother gets out of the car Okay, wait. Okay, my mom is also not touching it.
And there I am.
There, my brother.
Just reversing the car
Yeah,
in this heavy rain. Are you ready? Look. It appears. It takes. It leaves.
Okay, I've gone inside my house
And
and it's missing since. Okay, I think my brother is really genuinely maybe a good person. Maybe now I can. Maybe.
proven innocent.
No, once again,
Guilty.
I just got it inside the house, but it's missing. Maybe you took it the next day.
Okay, wait. Just hold on there. I'm going to show you next day's footage where I'm not going there.
Yeah, fine, show us that. Put next day footage before I tell you something. Guys, where is my helmet? If Vega, you ever see this, no, better sponsor this video. I have promoted your own helmet more than you have. Worst. Is it Vega or Vega?
Vego.
I just call it.
Vego helmets.
Vega, promote our, even in rain. No, put it from morning and just put it fast. We know every.
It's not that fast also.
When we were checking the neighbors' garbage crime, you were pretty peaceful.
It doesn't have nothing to do with me.
You were the garbage.
If this is the kind of jokes she's feeding y'all, I would have unsubscribed and reported this channel by now.
Which he has. He has tried, okay?
The last allegation is I must have taken it the following day.
Wait,
We didn't go to the
Tuesday was
gym.
the day where parents were out of town, so we didn't go to gym. We didn't do anything. That's why I'm so much like, where is the helmet? Because I didn't step out. Wednesday.
I'm about to come out any minute now. You might just want to see this. 12:14. Gone to complete some side quests.
If I went on Tuesday, which I am now recollecting that I went because my sister's pet was sick, I think I've taken the helmet.
But you didn't tell me what time and all that.
And of course, if I wore it, we don't have to capture the wearing time. We just have to.
Ah, there you are! There she is. There she is.
I cannot believe this has happened.
Look at her getting ready as it is going for a long ride. This is going 10 kilometers. Okay, now you are back in an hour.
Yeah, if I'm back and I've got the helmet, I'm praying to God
You
and
have
I'm
to-
praying to all the gods. God, this is taking the worst turn. I can't show my face. Sanjay, I think
You think what?
I don't think we should ever like not trust each other.
Beat your ass up.
No, I don't think we need to go to these lens of not trusting. No, you know what, Sanjay? It's behind us. Sanjay, let's just stop it right here.
Wait.
We don't have to see all this. How long have we known each other? 28 years. I have raised him. Of course.
Just stop the recording. Just stop the recording.
God, just come back with the helmet. Just come back with the helmet.
It's 1:27, okay?
Yeah, I'll be home
Brought to you by the
in Brigade Hypermart.
This one here. Now 1:30 you bought me, 1:20 you'll be home. Right? You didn't stop anywhere else on the day.
No. I just bought the almond milk and I came home. I bought almond milk for my brother that day because he's the most precious thing in this world.
Get your hands off.
Oh God. Now I know why you guys blame me when things.
Yeah. You're clumsy. You're the worst person on earth. And you blame me for everything. Guys, like, share and subscribe so that we can buy a new helmet.
No, but why have you not come back home? And my brother is a sweet angel.
What? What sweet angel?
I mean,
Who said I'm a sweet angel?
he truly is. Thank God before I shot this, I said some good things about him. This is the part where I'll edit and put that. Do I think my brother is the most amazing person in this world? Yes. Do I love him more than anything else in this world? Yes.
Guys, there's going to be a new channel. Sanjay Ganesh Vlog. Subscribe for real, uncut, these struggling YouTube channels and their creators really need to.
You hit where it hurts, like.
Hey, you're not home.
Yeah, I'm lost, so it's
Don't
fine.
know anything. You're lost.
I am lost.
No.
I am also not come back home. It started with my helmet lost. I am lost. Can you not tell mom and dad about this?
Of course, I'm going to tell them about this.
And mom watches all my videos, so she'll find out.
Guys, for the real deal, subscribe to my YouTube channel
He doesn't even have.
for hidden details about this mystery.
Moment of truth. If I've come home with the helmet, it's not on me. Yeah, man. Let's just end this right now. Call it a day. Put it behind us. Shake it. Sanjay, do you sometimes think about all the good? Okay, I'm going to shut up.
It's bad enough. You're not home yet.
Now it just has turned into missing Ranju.
She stopped to buy herself some milk.
Did I?
Called me to ask what kind of milk is best for her. I asked her to buy something else for me.
Did I buy milk for you or no? Tell that, yes or no.
No.
Whose milk is inside the fridge?
Whose milk? The almond's milk.
Oh, Sanjay, I am no more.
You're no more.
Guys, I am no more. This is not me.
Rest in
Sorry.
peace.
Hey! Oh, there's a delivery girl. Ah! Oh! Sanjay, please don't do that.
The man, the myth, the legend.
Dude. Sanjay, I cannot believe I lost my helmet and I blamed it on you. I want to deeply apologize for my allegations against my brother who has done good to my family. What is that? Is that a helmet by any chance?
That is just the almond milk. Man returns with helmet. Sorry, man leaves with helmet, returns with almond milk.
Sure.
That's just grocery.
So the next time your parents and everyone in the world tells you you have lost something and there's no proof, just believe them and do not blame your younger brothers.
Guys, if you don't see another video of that out in this channel,
I'm dead. Vega, wait a minute. Thank you.
what do you gotta say? What do you gotta say?
So guys, the good news is that I found the helmet. The bad news is my brother will never let me forget this for the rest of my life. So yeah, life is too short. Just blame everything on your younger sibling and move on. And don't go to find proof. Just blame them and move on. I'm not gonna lie, I feel very awful. But okay.